Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog, Sophie, is over there somewhere. I tried to get her to sit down here with me and she wouldn't do it. So I was like, you know what? That's perfectly fine. She can stay over there and watch. Okay, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas. It is the Yuletide season, so today is exciting because we're going to be making chocolate peppermint cookies from Epcot's International Festival of the Holidays. I do have notes because I forget things very quickly. You can find these on the Holiday Cookie Stroll. And that is, what you do with that is you purchase a festival passport. You have to buy 5 cookies at different locations around Epcot. Once you buy 5 cookies, and you get a stamp for each one in your passport booklet. That's getting a stamp right there. So once you get 5, take it to the Holiday Sweets and Treats, which is located, I believe, near the port of entry, the front World Showcase. I think it's right next to it. And once you do that, you can get a special treat made with red and green M&Ms, milk chocolate minis. So that sounds fantastic. So make sure to do that. That runs through January 5th this year. Sadly, we will not be able to make it this year, but I'm gonna make these at home, which is almost as good, but not even close. Okay, so yeah, so the chocolate peppermint cookies from the International Festival of the Holidays at Epcot. Let's get right to it. I'm excited. Christmas season is the best time of year, except for the Halloween season, which is my favorite. But this is a close second. Close second, if I can say that. Sometimes my mouth doesn't seem to want to work very well. Yeah, and anyway, so let's get right to it. Chocolate peppermint cookies. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a Christmas miracle. Sophie has decided to join us. Hi, Sophie. And now she's leaving. Okay, well, Merry Christmas, Sophie. All right, so I'm gonna try this. This looks fantastic. This looks delicious. I've never had these. I've never made a peppermint chocolate cookie. I don't know why. Okay, let's give this a go. This is delicious. I love it. Wow, you know what? This is the only cookie I would need on that cookie stroll. I don't think you can get 5 of the same stamps though. Wow, that's delicious. So good. It's crisp on the outside, soft in the middle. So I baked it for, it said 10 to 12, I did it for 11. That seems to be perfect. This gets a 9 out of 10. This is gonna be my new favorite Christmas cookie. Leave these out for Santa Claus. Wow, delicious. You have to try this if you go to the Epcot holiday stroll, the cookie stroll I should say, this year, look for this one. Make this one of your stamps. If it's there, I thought it was. So, we'll see. But fantastic. It's a Christmas miracle. We had Sophie in here. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. 9 out of 10. Delicious and easy. You saw, I just did it. Again, I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. Because I have no clue what I'm doing ever. So this is, I'm not lying either. That is the most serious thing I've ever said in my life, I think, right there. Anyway, so yeah, try this, 9 out of 10. Fantastic. Thank you, Epcot. Thank you so much. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does. She's doing it right now. Sophie, come on. What the heck? You can also hit the like button. It really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, usually a couple per week, 1 or 2 per week. And you can you can obviously hit the notification bell as many times as you'd like, but I don't know why I keep saying that twice. Last time I did that too. Anyway, you can also leave a comment. If there's anything you'd like to see me make or do, I can attempt that. Keyword being attempt. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Well, I'll probably make another video before New Year, but just in case, Happy New Year. And if you ever try something you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.